Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my first package from Menlo Club. I only paid 20 bucks for my first package. Shout out to the Honorable Man for providing me a link to get $40 off. I will be putting his link in the bottom of the description. So you can go ahead and get $40 off of your first package if you decide to go ahead and get Menlo Club. From receiving my first package, I'm not going to lie, I was expecting just to test it out. I was hoping they sent me the shoes. And then after that, I was going to cancel it. That was the goal and the plan. And when I didn't receive the shoes, I got the clothes. I was like, yeah, I'm definitely going to cancel it. But as soon as I opened the bag, I looked at them. I was like, okay, this is not what I expected, but let me see how it looks. I threw them on and I really like it. I mean, what I like the most about it is comfort. They're extremely comfortable and they fit perfect to size. You know, they almost seems like as if it was tailored for me. And that's a big plus. You know, for 20 bucks, I received a pair of shorts, belt, and a button-up shirt, and every single one feels like it's high quality, good material, as if it's gonna last for a while. And for 20 bucks, I really couldn't beat it. And I know it's not 20 bucks every month. Each month's gonna be 60. I will be holding off until next month and hopefully see what I get into that package. I will be keeping it from now on, but I'm gonna give it a one more month just to try out to see what they give me next month. Because this month, I'm not gonna lie, I like every single piece that I have, and they pretty much look good. I got compliments today from left and right. Literally about 5 people told me that they like the way that I dress, they like my style, and as you guys can see that I haven't even shaved today. At the same time, I'm getting compliments, so imagine when I get fresh, what would they say? All these clothes, guys, are pretty high material. They look really nice, feel very comfortable. And the most important thing to me, they feel like as they were tailored for my body. You know, they fit pretty well, nice and slim. You get to pick your sizes and whatnot, however you like your clothes to be. If you want casual, you like baggy clothes, you like regular or slim. I went with the slim, size small. Out of this whole package, my favorite ordeal would be the shorts. Not only do they fit me perfect, they're almost slim. They are slim to the ankle, so when it comes to the ankle, you don't get baggage. I don't know if you guys can see right here on the shorts, you know. This is how shorts are supposed to be. They're supposed to be right above your knee. You don't want them to be below your knee. That's, you know, 2002. So above the knee, and you don't want it to be, you want it to be at least an inch, 2-inch max, you know, 2-inch max apart from your skin. You don't want them to be like girls where they're extremely tight, but you want it to be just perfect. And this what exactly these are. You know, I just typed in my size. I'm size 31 in the waist. And to me, guys, these are my favorite shorts. I can rock these with, you know, just in one day, they became my favorite shorts. Like, I already see 30 or 40 different outfits that I can rock just with these shorts alone. You know, different shoes, different shirt, of course. I can't wait, you guys. Hopefully next month they'll send me some more shorts. If not, I will be going to their website and purchasing more of these shorts if they do have them. Because every short that I buy, it's always baggy for me on the bottom. I can never find one that's perfect fit. And if I do find the slim ones, they're either too tight on the thigh area or they're too loose. I don't know how they got these perfect, you guys, but I'm impressed. So let's get back to the video. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the clothes on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.